Hi everyone, I'm Miss Brittany. I'm a teacher here at MPoly, and today I'm going to teach you how to set up Google Chrome. So if you use a browser like Microsoft Edge, what you want to do is you want to look up Google Chrome download. Does not have to be in English. Once you find the Google Chrome download options, you're going to click on Google Chrome, download the fast browser. You will click download Chrome, open the file. Once it is downloaded, it should look something like this when you open it. So I'm going to click on sign in. I already have a Google account, so I'm not going to make one. But if you do not have one, you would click create account and follow the video on the MPoly YouTube page that tells you how to create a Google account. But I am going to sign in. Once you sign in, you might have an option to turn on sync. You can do that, and that will allow you to sync your things and use it on any device. So that will allow you to access all of your materials on your phone, tablet, or computer. Now, once you're signed in, it might look something like this. So if you have already joined a Google Classroom, what you will do is you will click on the apps and you will go to Classroom here. If you have not joined a Google Classroom yet, you would copy the link your teacher gives you and paste it on the top here, and it will bring you directly to the class page like this so that you can join. Now, once you have joined the classroom, your teacher will have assignments that you can click on, that you can submit your work on. If there's too many things in your stream, which is kind of like your home page, you can click on classwork and you can see what your teacher has given you right here. So this is just the assignments from your teacher. Now, if you go to stream, you can see upcoming work. It will tell you if work is due soon. But if you have a question that you want to ask your teacher because you're at home, you're not sure what you need to do, you are able to click here and announce something to your class. Now, this is only for asking questions or doing something that is important. You need to make sure you're not posting anything that's inappropriate or not related to the class. So you can put a question here. Hello, how do I do LA format? Post. And then this is posted on the stream in the classroom. All of the students can see it and the teacher can see it. And the teacher can add a comment that everyone can see, and you can learn how to do MLA format. So that is how you use Google Classroom. I hope that helps.